Hello and welcome back to your favorite spoken English channel, Business Spoken English. In this video, we will talk about 50 most important rules that you should implement quickly in order to get fluent at the earliest. See, without wasting any time, let's get started with the first one, which is be realistic about your learning goals. It shouldn't be like you just want to speak. Have some concrete reasons, have concrete aspect of spoken English. What exactly is the reason why you're learning English? Once you'll decode this particular aspect of your spoken English, learning this will be easier and fun. See, imagine you just learned it and you don't know how to apply it. You know how to speak English, but you don't know the topic upon which you're going to speak. For example, if you're learning English in order to answer quickly in the classes, if you're learning English in order to have debate competitions with other classmates, if you're learning English in order to get ahead of people in your, let's say, an organization, you're learning English in order to be good at your meetings. If you learn the reason why you're learning English, the practical aspect of spoken English will actually come to your life. So be realistic about your goal. Don't just say that I'm learning English, I'm trying to learn. It's not the English that you're trying to learn. It's the particular aspect of English that you're trying to learn. So be specific. The better and the more specific you are, the quicker are the chances that you learn English. Next one is practice. Next one is have some speaking English partner along with you. Whenever you get a chance, speak out. Imagine you get a book and that book is about learning how to swim and you're trying to learn with the help of best coaches of swimming competitions. Imagine you're reading a book that's been written by people who've been in Olympics in swimming, and then you never went into water and you've learned every aspect of swimming and you've never gotten inside yourself in the water. Is it any practical question if I ask, can you learn just by reading books? Obviously, it's impractical. You know that you won't learn just by reading books. So same goes in spoken English as well. If you're learning how to speak English and you're just learning how to speak English, you're not implementing it, if you're not utilizing those learnings that you just learned, if you're not utilizing those vocabulary that you have just learned, then there's no way you're going to speak it. So have some real practical friends along with you, and whenever you get a chance, opportunity, just start speaking. You speak broken English, you speak with a lot of mistake, you speak mispronounce the words, you let's say have disgusting communication skill, disgusting pronunciation skill, disgusting accent, disgusting, let's say, everything, but kindly get started. Third point is, do not be afraid of making mistakes. The more mistakes you commit, the more chances are that you'll be better or something. See, mistakes are the proof that you're trying to learn. Mistakes are the proof that you're trying to learn something that you don't know. Is it possible for you to, do mistake while walking? No, because you know how to walk. So that goes in spoken English. You don't know how to speak English, that's why you're making mistake. And once you'll start making mistake and start accepting yourself, that's okay. I committed a mistake and still I feel good about it. Over a span of time, you'll start loving yourself, you'll start appreciating yourself, and your self-worth, the value that you have about yourself, will start enhancing. Fourth point is, get realistic English learning goals. It shouldn't be like, I'm trying to learn English, that's it. That shouldn't be happen. I'm trying to learn spoken English in 3 months. That should be a goal. It's not like I'm just learning, that should never be done. Unless your goal has a deadline, it means that's not a goal, that's a wish, and wishes don't get fulfilled. There's no way any Jen is going to come in your life and ask you 3 wishes. That's not how it works. That's not how practical life works. So have particular deadline that by this month I'll improve my vocabulary, my word meanings. By next month I'll improve my pronunciation of those words, and at last month, when my words and pronunciation are already at top, I'll start making sentences and I'll improve my sentence making structure. So see, just by 3 months focusing on different aspects, you just improved yourself. Understood? That's how it goes. Next is try saying something extra. When you're talking in English, your conversation should not be small. Enhance it. Try as much as possible, as long sentences as possible. The more you speak, the better you speak. The more you learn, the better you learn. That's how it goes. See, quality doesn't come without quantity. Firstly, you need quantity in order to get the quality. Understood? Next is Listen to English language music. There are a lot of people like Justin Bieber, it is Ed Sheeran, let's say Shakira, and several new musicians have also arrived in this era of music. Try listening to them, and then over a span of time you'll observe that just by listening to music and enjoying the musical rhythm, you're also improving. You're learning new statements. You're learning new ongoing, let's say, what do you call it? Like new words, new sentences, new styles, new pickup lines as well. Who knows? Next one is. Practice speak English whenever you get a chance, whenever you get an opportunity. See, you learn a lot, but at the time when you need to use the practicals, you cannot avoid it. Can you remember at the time when you had your IT period where your teacher used to teach you computer and you hated it, but at the time when you were in front of the laptop, in front of the computer, and then you're using it, you enjoyed it. That's how spoken English works as well. You need to start enjoying the real conversation rather than just learning sentences, statements. You shouldn't be focusing on it. You should focus on actual speaking those sentences. Next is become part of spoken English group. Go on Facebook group, let's say Instagram community, YouTube videos, comment section, and then start talking with everyone who you think is speaking English. Over a span of time, you'll have a good quality people who will teach you several sentences, and over a span of time, you'll also teach them as well. See, that's how humanity enhances. Something needs to be taught to me, and something needs to be taught to you. We both can share our knowledge so that we can both go ahead in our life. Now, you can also start watching English movies, animes, or other, let's say, aspects. Just start listening to them. Over a span of time, you'll observe that they have improved your vocabulary, they have improved your pronunciation skill, they have improved a lot of aspects of your life.